Take a ride in the 2017 Caravan. The Dodge Caravan invented the minivan, offering an especially useful amount of room in a surprisingly easy-to-drive package. The Caravan quickly became the new synonym for family transportation and spawned competitors from all sides and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, remote start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, power windows, CD player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.